Bicycle dey do it for petrol station. Math tori dey no go juke. Whether poor man get six pack or you no get six pack, it no matter. Poor man wey get six pack just dey less money as wey dey shake now. Because six pack na natural thing for poor man. They dey consider six pack na when rich man get am because e no easy for chop money then still get six pack. You go poor party then have to pay all man na six pack, all man na six pack. You dey see even man wey if dem borrow 1 year and add it there for your account balance go still be na zero. You dey show six pack. You dey go outside with six pack where your neck dey still dry under rain. You dey show six pack for do it wey hungry dey still do you for midnight. Oh na say God bless your body then curse your soul. Poor man dey for chop wait wey no get six pack. Mo no even dey confuse between man get six pack and man wey get dry belle o. Because hungry no be six pack. I know say Cameroon na the only country where poor people dey gain weight. Because Cameroonian better gain weight loss focus. Map! You be bae? Obey na your nickname. Woman wey deny for use the head go use the last. Yeah, you engage girl for Cameroon now levy for backside go front door one can by door already suffocate people with bomb. Ha! Your beauty don't obey law of gravity. You wear engagement ring since 2015. They engage you until further notice. Oh, your village people don't restore the default settings. Math! Aba, you put makeup on top makeup na double code. Nga go wash, use skincare, put makeup, use iPhone, open Snapchat, use ring light, snap picture under sunlight, the green plant during the process of photosynthesis, snap picture model, the shine for picture, the luminous, the future for modern and non-luminous. Babe, you return na that one. You even call Nga say me come meet you for hotel. Your first time you tell Nga say you dey room 24. Nga just can't pass enter come for room 24 where no ask reception. That one even better. The worst one na that one you tell Nga say you dey room 24. Nga ask you na say why you choose na that room. Shower for that room no dey work fine. Ma! December they can pick up the one I don't change name. You go bad the year because pick up go chop pick up your money. You get money or your nickname na money man. I be money man, I be money man, I be money man. Get out! Money man with poverty we don't can give all your head. Math! I be dollar, I be dollar, I be dollar. You get dollars. When I say your friend they still call you since that time we mark that your door. Math! I be legit plug, I be legit plug, I be legit plug. Get out! Facebook go up the other day for 2 hours. Legit plug borrow money for side chick put data. These people here they be mark bomb go draw tattoo for their skin so. Me tattoo no make and vex man so they me carry oil for pop up through every skin. Poverty take another shot. Peripheral they don't turn grandfriend, their grandfriend. Destiny kid turn Malian. Student break teacher heart. Civil servant turn Yahoo boy. Junior SSF turn Brandon. Ministry of Defense turn Ministry of Offense. Nyongo man jump war for Mexico enter etas. Nyongo man seek asylum. What do you do for a living? I am a musician. I am a musician. You never release first single. You will rub the already flop. Upcoming artists and for our country the dress pass Burna Boy will get Grammy. Yeah. But wait, so now wait till what happen for Junior them eh? First time I be no say Junior they na ajebo then they bring money for school. Junior they know the lie, they ever been a soft picking the nah so Junior. I mean say you 1 year say Nga don't move belle, you want go na Junior Inga. You 1 year say them broke Cartier store, you want go na Junior. You hear say them thief my control, you want go there just say na Junior. Junior they will have done la turn on na brand on them. And then fear Cameroon boy wey go school go graduate. Mama, when boy go school for Cameroon go graduate, he don't know say if he talk for any girl. And when they meet a girl, they tap their foot me the girl ask them only one question. What do you do for a living? You start here only job the way boy they call her. You say the fear. I am an ENS teacher. I am a polytechnic engineer. I am a QS medical doctor and the only English way they come off of my mobile. Pepe, can I know you more? Explain detailedly with examples include math. Hey, you 1 year na story. I say life there's no balance. You know say life no balance now where you sell plot for 400,000 for Boya go Dubai. Then go sit down for Dubai one look WhatsApp state you see as your age mate buy one supermall for 100,000 inside that same Boya. They no only buy na one, he buy na 5. For 500,000 at that time, you know say your Destiny no even reach money for drinking water. Destiny na non-luminous. Math! Poverty they so no fine no. Poverty na the only thing for the world where once you and he dey inside relationship, so it no fit ever break your heart. Now only you feel break poverty heart. Poverty Poverty wey make and Christian dance so go for go offering, go reach your front offering box before members say money for offering and money for Maggie. Poverty, Poverty wey make and people they give testimony, so one day they give testy poverty. Some people they testimony, so one day they testy poverty. Why some people they use it was, so one day they use if. It was nice doing business with you. If way they me and you go transact inside next functioning. It was a nice day. If I began one but a beardy evening, the way the team for find me here. Ice madam, madam, you are obscuring the board. Ice madam, madam, you are shedding the board. Now this one I don't know machine system, machine read diminishing return. Scramble for Africa don't turn scramble for control number. The machine don't help people because if not of machine plenty you there for the country no forever cook 1 kilo meat. Then your old boy the anger then to the grind up. Yeah, oh boy, ain't got it take door for go market. So that means say Melanie they say one cook cookie take money go market Kanban or 2 kilo pork meat. Sandra they say one make fruit salad take money go market Kanban or cabbage or 1.5. You want me then try the fruit salad now cocoa yam? But forget if all your old boy then decide to repent today, almost hunger the for street go turn singer and searching now because hungry go day. And they were country there, so I be sure say they suffer from longevity in stupidity. Yeah, because the Cameroon seller the higher pass buyer. I mean, so the enter shops over buy the Cameroon man way they sell instead higher pass you. When I don't know say seller na beggar, even my way they sell go so far as you sell you beg na beg. If you know one say lock that thing go shit on for house, no man no can call you for house. You go open shop for 2.5 million. You open shop, man go enter shop inside for shop there, inside for that motor the way they carry people there for matters and go out and for pinny. Man can enter shop, you start calling a madam. Madam, you want waiting? I want handbag na 15,000, madam. Madam say one handbag for 10,000. Madam, I bet put the handbag komoya. I know the feed them. Now so when I talk small time go ask go talk how your village people they don't tie your market. And then decide for school. The one who don't decide for our own country so go they always study in a past event then so we'll do high. You really send picking for school so pay school fee, buy uniform, woke up, wash picking, give choy chop. Go she don the talk say history is the study of past event. People then they study the future and the present when I do on the study na the past. When I study waiting for two way Germany do now or Britain or France, the one way it happen now so two way China did dig with the go now so why on I know they talk when I went I say when China don't feel no way for the country go kill them. Now that time I can't tell we say history is the study of past event. Longevity is stupidity. But something they really funny me here. Chinese man do now can't take contract inside our country. Then go carry Chinese people, then can't give them the clean work, then they use Cameroonian and they let digger them. They use Cameroonian and they let porters and carriers. I mean, I say Chinese, they can't take work inside our country. Our own work if we work inside our contract now for the dig pipeline. Aye, do our government for the country. God go punish una ya. If God no punish una, Satan go punish them. Hey, babe. It's our own country, though, the one na Bambe Masa. I mean, Chinese dog, people can't take contract. It's our own country, they our own work now for the dig pipeline. That longevity is stupidity, shows say even get elasticity. Then they were you then the time to it shows say even if that were rape them be foolish, but we the time we're on our foolishness. Yeah, because all man na machine fine oh, but machine fine for personal interest because generally machine is of no use. When I just say why man they so only get money na get am. Why man no only get money but why man they protect his money sometimes I never know. As you the land first be na so why man they make phone. Na so they make iPhone. He make and so they make charger, make iPhone, make iPod. As you the Mac bomb na so they make Benz. As you the Mac na so they make laptop, make flat screen, make you. As the money they go, the money they come back. Hey Africa, we go suffer inside the country. We never even start suffer. Yeah, if pass your own demand and Bamenda man for talk good morning. When people go drink Mimbo, hey, now why man kill Gaddafi? If we want unite Africa, now why man kill Gaddafi? If pass your own demand and Bamenda man for talk good morning, then now why man kill Gaddafi? Hey, Tori de no go jug mad. Yeah, and as I record Tori the go so, I the ones on two people them. Sensitive Zola for Douala and Moscow for Veterinary Junction for Bamenda. Are the one who now And also when I been a senior prefect then for barbing, but when I shave my head, I repeat, I the one una. When I shave my head, if Savon and why Minyanga no there for fini wash and rub out, I level una. Now wait today. When I shave my head fine so carry manure and fertilizer where they don't put color and perfume, they rub over my face. Man one go reach for us, baby, don't shoot for money, fail and jama where the nest and corner big water. Where? Sensitive Zola for Douala, a number one baba. Any man where they around. Locate Sensitive Zola. If you find it for Instagram, if you find it for Facebook, that same name, Sensitive Zola. If Stanley the left, he has a Paris can shave his head for Sensitive Zola, and then you are what? If course if he left Mike can't shave his head for Sensitive Zola, and then you are what? If Dante Boy South abandoned business for Colombia, all of you can't shave his head for Sensitive Zola, and then you are what? Then Moscow for veterinary Jones of a Bamenda and only Baba way if you shave your head even online. Call you for Zoom, you shave your head through Zoom. Even if all your head nangopo. Moscow for veterinary junction go still arrange your head, me your head then a chat. Give me that fire. Give me that fire. After a long struggle, when success don't begin come, lazy people, them go say you don't take na. Mami wata, ubangaji ala, katemi kenwo. Discussion. In the name of the Father like the Son, why some are fighting for the future of tomorrow? Some are fighting for their belly full of wula la. Oh, Zinyamfuka marriage chaka because peace no day. Peace no day because justice no day. The first form of justice, your conscience. True you bitter cause you know they die. It turn and enter, it turn and come out. You beat them for left, they come out for right. A story long, but time short. We go discuss na other time. Oh, atana yena sika you. If no be you, how man for do? Baba God, you came for my rescue. No be sepsin and me holy pass. Yeah, I'm the one you choose. I in them, but you keep drawing me close. Yeah, the prayer, but man, the prayer pass now. Yeah, the hustle pass now. Oh, I'm nobody of these blessings. Each and every day, man, they for street and still making the same bad decisions. Beaucoup de gars ont quitté, mais suis encore debout. Tell me say na who again Yahweh? If no be na you, man sem no di chômer, dame no di manquer. Man di gérer, oh il choque de say aller et retour. If I continue, I no go stop. And so the list long, I tell you, brother man, it flop. I just wanna say I'm grateful, not for myself, my family and friends. Oh, for Underbelly 237. The warm heart of Africa cannot be measured. From Bangladesh to nowadays, ni paradise, ni paradise.
The warm heart of Africa cannot be measured. From Bangladesh to nowadays, ni paradise, ni paradise. They think that we're broken, but we're unshakable like Kilimanjaro. The truth must be spoken, take care of it. We spread love and Zanzibar. Na lingio, minge.